Hey guys, welcome to our channel, The Success Hub, where we believe, dream it, plan it, and achieve it. So here we are going to discuss about the important questions, the common questions that are asked in an interview. And if you are preparing for an interview, this video will surely be very beneficial for you. We will see some important questions or some common questions that are asked in the interview, how you have to answer the questions confidently. These are few questions that are commonly asked that the interviewer will first say that tell me something about yourself, then your work experience, then they ask you about your strength, your weakness, and why you are applying for this job, or they may also ask that why should I hire you and what do you know about this company, your salary requirements, and if you have any doubts to ask. So we will see one by one how we have to answer these questions. If they ask you if that tell me something about yourself, you must first greet them good morning or good afternoon, whatever, with a smile on your face, confident enough, and you must take care that you make eye contact with the person because otherwise you feel so lost. And please don't say hi or don't get confused between the morning or afternoon. You must express thanks that thank you for this opportunity to talk about myself or for shortlisting me for this interview. And then you should go with your name that my name is this or and I am this and this. You should be confident enough, and please don't say myself this or miss and mister because this doesn't look that good. You may discuss about your family or hobbies and passion. This is optional because this is not much significance that you discuss about your family. So if you wish to, you can speak few lines. And then you should discuss about your qualification detail, but not much because instead of this you must highlight your additional qualifications like what are the other courses you have done or skills, achievements, awards, etc. Like for example, you can say that I have completed a 6 months course on this and this, and I am proficient in this language or etc., and I have learned this and this during my course program, etc. So the next question they may ask you is that tell me something about your work experience. So you should start with the company name, position you had in the company, that I have been the sales manager in this and this company, like. Then the year of experience you must say, and then the major responsibilities and awards. For example, you can say that I have been a sales manager or HR manager at this and this company since last 5 years and now looking after the key functions of this team, of this company, these functions. And then the team was awarded with the best sales team, or we have been able to increase the productivity, this and this means this in this way you can say about like this was your position and this was the company, and for these number of years you have worked there, and major responsibilities whatever you have performed, and focusing on your achievements and awards. For the freshers, if you are a fresher, you may say that I have completed MBA or bachelor's from this and this institute in this and this degree program, and what were your specialization and the time of internship. If they ask you about your strength, you may use the adjective that describes your personality. If you are hardworking, self motivated, creative, open minded, honest, determined, easygoing, versatile, optimistic, whatever you are, you can say that yes, I am this and this type of person. If they ask you about your weakness, please be very careful because your weakness, try to put those points that should be of their use, like if you are more talkative or you are straightforward or you speak less, so whatever adjective that suits your personality, speak up that, and it should be relevant to the job you are applying for. Please take care of this. And I have given some of the adjectives that you can use for this, like reserved nature or not much social or never say no for help or never speak lie, etc. Whatever describes you, you can go with it. They may ask you that why are you applying for this job, so you can say that it's great privilege for anyone to work in reputed company like yours, and although my current job, I love my current job, but now I feel that I'm ready for the more challenging assignment and this position really excites me. If they ask you that why should I hire you, you may talk about your future plans, your career goals, and you can connect them to the company's work. It's okay. So, like you can say, sir, I have found that my skills are matching your company requirement, and being punctual and sincere, I'll try to fulfill the needs of company. Also, my technical skills will surely contribute to company's growth, and I'll put all my efforts for the good progress of the organization. If they ask you, they may ask you about the company, because so if you are going for an interview, then you must go through about some basic info of that company, like the names of the owners and the partners and the company's current issue. Means you should study about, go through the basic info of the company once, and you must update your knowledge about their competitors, because that is what generally matters for the company. And if they ask you about a salary requirement, about your salary requirement, then as a fresher, you should not speak up the exact amount. Like you can say this way that I expect a considerable salary as per the company's norms and according to my ability and qualification. And but improving my knowledge and skills and to gain experience is my priority. But if you are experienced, you can say that I have this much years of experience and my current salary is this. So, according to the company's norms and as per my qualification, designation, and experience, I expect a considerable salary. So, this way you can go. At the last, they may give you a chance that you have, if you have any questions, you may ask. Then, what should you do? You should express thanks for this opportunity and you may clear your doubts like the job timings, job location, overtime allowance, training period, transport facility, whatever you want to know. Okay, so these were some of the common questions. Hope this video will be helpful for you. Thank you.